Yeah, man. Day 13, 30 days straight. Still going with this shit. This shit don't stop, man. Y'all niggas already know, man. For the Hard Way coming soon. Free Truly. Real nigga coming soon. I got bars, bitch. 30 days straight, nigga. Day 13. Man, y'all niggas already know what time it is, nigga. Free Truly. 30 days straight. Hey, the nigga fucking with me, man. I don't see it. Run that check up. Cause I am. Niggas talking, I fell off when I stand my grounds. Leave you dead with your boy, not a yellow man down. I whip shit, I trap hard, that sack gon' get down. Got young niggas that 16, they love laying shit down. 49, they got super dough, cooking up on a new stove. 36 need a Super Bowl, if it don't lock, that super blow. Money stands, that super old. Young nigga, I'm shoot ho. Bad bitch like Amber Rose, I'm the shit, Pamper Flow. I'm back from a year, nigga, this is my year. Fly like a Lear, ain't nothing that I fear. 49er nigga, we gon' get it right. Time Tizzle nigga, we gon' get it right. Bought a new watch, face full of ice. Desi home nigga, we gon' get it right. Dedicated, making every move precise. White work, white pot with a butter knife. I just want the money and be rich for life. Shout out to your bitch, she bad and that body nice. This that re-rock, time to rock it up. It's like that dope lost trial the way it's locked up. Ali shit getting boxed up. Call up G, y'all niggas to get popped up. Rest in peace to Murr, he in a better place. Had to switch my plug up and get some better, yay. Got them pancakes like I'm anime. I got that white girl, I call her Mary Kay. Nigga, 30 days straight. I got bars, bitch. Told you niggas, man, I was gonna kill that shit. This shit easy, man. 30 days straight, day 13. Free my nigga Truly, free 400. Y'all niggas already know, man.
Don't step up to me, I ain't no stairs. But that chopper get the cut until it's no hair. Full you don't wanna go there. Cause the straight killers, ain't no holes there. I'm leaving.